What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Quant and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Quant here, and as we can see, things have been going really well recently, haven't they? Quant was basically a token that has been, it was essentially ranging for a long time here, wasn't it? Ever since, this chart began really, on the 10th of February. Basically just been ranging, all the way to around the 11th of May. We did start to get a nice little move up here to around $65, but obviously the massive dump that we had in May for the whole market has basically sent Quant down to around $23, which was an absolute, steal for Quant at these prices. Congratulations to anyone who bought the dip. But you can see here, obviously, we came to the upside massively since then, haven't we? Quant's been absolutely exploding out of the gates, despite pretty much every other single crypto going down in price, 70 or 80%. Quant has actually been up. Let's just take a look at this here. Quant is actually up around 730% to the top there from that big correction that we did have in May. So absolutely crazy gains, to be honest, considering how badly the market has been performing overall. But you can see Quant, obviously, it's been heading up inside this channel, haven't we? We've outlined this channel here. You can see it quite clearly that we have been heading up inside of. We have been respecting this fairly well on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches here, and on the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So pretty clear that we're heading up in a nice little uptrend here. And Quant's really been, ripping out the gates, hasn't it? We did actually see this phenomenon here where we came all the way up to around $188 here, and we broke out of this channel and retested it as support. But obviously, we did say if we fall back inside this channel, do anticipate that we're probably going to start to see a bit of a retracement. And if we're taking a look at our daily time frame here, you can see obviously our level for retracement would be probably around this $100 mark, which would be a very key level of support in our opinion. And if we do roll over, do anticipate this, because it would coalesce potentially with the bottom of the channel, and not to mention potentially these previous swing highs as well, which would be a very nice level of support. But with the 55 here coming up something like this, and the 20 also coming something like this, we could potentially hold the 20 or the 55 here for continuation, which is essentially what we've been doing for the entire time, haven't we? You can see quite clearly here, ever since we chopped sideways for a little while here, consolidated until June, and then we really just started to rip out the gates for Quant. You can see we actually came all the way up and all the way back down on a wick here to retest this level. But we came down into our 55, tested it as support perfectly, come up again, top of the channel, 20 is support, come up a bit, rolled over to 55, ripped out the gates here, and now we're looking for support, aren't we, again, because we've rolled back inside the channel. So once we're back inside the channel, you would anticipate potentially that we would be rolling over a little bit more to find support, because we're just in no man's land right now. There's a small amount of support here at around $138 of a few days of an order block. But realistically, if we hold this 20, I mean, the continuation is going to be incredible, isn't it? And I think ideally what you want to be doing is rolling over, back testing the 55 here for continuation again, because you can see quite clearly that on this limited chart that we do have, you can see that we have back tested the 55 here and here and here as well, very nicely for continuation. So if we do come down again, retest the 55 and continue up with something like this, we're going to be looking at some very nice price targets for Quant, aren't we? And we do strongly think that this is a project, considering it's already at $150, we could be looking at $500 to 1k by the end of the bull run pretty easily, in our opinion. Obviously $1,500 would only be a 10x from the current price. I mean, considering that the market cap's what, 2 or 3, 5, maybe 5 billion from what I can recall off the top of my head. Pretty clear that Quant has got a lot of use case, and it's getting a lot of adoption, which is obviously seeing the price action continue to increase. There's a lot of rumors that it's going to be used for some countries' CBDCs, which is obviously extremely bullish as well. And we just do think that this is a very strong project with the overledger, a massive amount of interoperability across, basically every blockchain, being able to cherry pick different elements of different blockchains and incorporate them into singular smart contracts, taking, speed from some and security from another and putting them together into smart contracts, and borrowing essentially different parts of blockchains to make one overarching set of principles that people can use smart contracts wise would obviously be an absolute game changer. And we do think institutions will get very interested in this as time goes on. Quant's probably a project that's going to, potentially in the long term be like five-figure token, maybe $10,000, $20,000, just because if it gets adopted for its use case, it's going to get a huge amount of investment from institutions who can use its smart contract functionality and all the interoperability between banks and all kinds of financial systems, etc. So Quant, in our opinion, a very, very good project for the long term, probably going to do extremely well. And we can see, obviously, for the remainder of the bull run, we're probably anticipating some very, very nice price targets, aren't we, realistically? We have put $500, and we have been putting that on our thumbnails, but we do think that's probably a very conservative price target. It's only around a 3.5x from here, isn't it? 3 and a bit X. More realistically, we're probably looking at a 5 or 10x for Quant, which would be around $750, maybe even up to $1,500. But we'd probably say $1,000 per Quant token would be a very, very nice price target to hit. And I mean, considering that we've ran essentially from $30 up to $190, so almost a 5x in the space of, what is this, 2 months? If we got another 5x in the next 2 months, just for argument's sake, that would take us, well up into $750, almost $800. So Quant, a really top quality project. You can see, we'll just take a quick look at the hourly time frame here for the short-term price prediction. We can see we've obviously come back inside of our channel here after a breakout, potentially a retest here, and obviously fell back inside. So you would anticipate potentially more downside. Since this is the case, maybe coming back down to this previous swing high at around, that $100 level, which will be a very strong support. But, if Quant starts to pick up again and get outside this channel, then, don't anticipate we could be looking at it again on another run, because absolutely exceptional price action recently, hasn't it? So short term, obviously it's very difficult to know, but with the market heading up, maybe a back test and another leg up would be very, very nice to see, basically making that higher high, higher low, higher high for continuation. And as we said, in the long term, we do think Quant, very, very good project indeed. It would probably most likely be coming up to, maybe $500, 1K, maybe even beyond that, depending on how much of a pump it gets in the bull run. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.